好，大家都最各位觀眾大家好，講咩啊我？好啦，咁啊繼續同阿謝順同大家一齊讀聖經，就係以賽亞書嘅第9章，好啦，開始啦。
大家好 Isaiah 9:1 But there will be no more gloom for her who was in anguish. In earlier times he treated the land of Zebulun and the land of Naphtali with contempt, but later on he will make it glorious by the way of the sea, on the other side of Jordan, Galilee of the Gentiles.
但那受過痛苦的，必不再見幽暗。從前神使西布倫地同埋拿弗他利地被藐視，末後便使這沿海的路，約旦河外邦人的加利利地得着榮耀。
佢想講乜嘢啊？呢度呢個係邊個講㗎？
應該係阿斯亞講啩，阿賽亞講啦。佢以賽亞講佢而家又喺度嘗試講歷史，即係當咗咧呢啲咧係歷史咁啦。而家咧就喺嗰個 Land of Zebulun 西布倫嗰個地方啊，同埋咧就係呢個 Land of Naphtali 咁啊拿弗他利嘅地方，咁啊神啊藐視嗰個地方咩意思咧？即係嗰個地方啲人可以任做啦，唔使理神啦，係咪啊？之後呢啲地方變翻做神中意啦，會使到佢得到榮耀，咁有咩意思咧？真係唔知啊！
咁即係話嗰兩笪地方嘅人以前唔信耶和華啦，係咪啊？
咁冇理由會突然間又信㗎，亦都呢個係外邦人嚟㗎，呢個唔係以色列人嘅地方啦。咁啲人唔信呢個以色列嘅神，絕對可以啫，係咪啊？
咁但係個問題就係而家佢話英文嗰度寫 ，but later on he will make it glorious。點解咁做咧？
係咯，冇講。
我哋睇埋落去啊 ，9:2 The people who walk in darkness will see great light. Those who live in a dark land, the light will shine on them.
喺夜黑暗中行走嘅百姓，看見了大光；住在死陰之地的人，也有光照耀他們。嗱，唔知叫咩叫大光咧嚇？
嗱，我唔緊要呢個咩光都唔緊要啦，但係佢想係代表乜嘢咧？佢話啲人咧，以前係咪以前啊？唔信佢嘅時候咧就 walk in darkness， 但係而家咧就咩啦？神咧就俾啲光佢啦，咁即係點講咧？
即係唔使摸住行啦，即係如果你喺夜晚黑行路睇唔到，所以要摸住行。而家唔使啦，啊！你哋可以睇得到前面點樣行啦。
我覺得佢就係話，喂，你信咗耶和華之後咧，前路咧就光明咗啦，就唔係代表黑，唔係代表黑掹掹嘅黑暗啊。即係話你啲人無知，突然間咦隻眼開咗咯噃。信咗耶和華之後，9:3 You will multiply the nation, you will increase their joy. They will rejoice in your presence as with the joy of harvest, as people rejoice when they divide the spoil.
呢個你唔知指邊個啊？你使這國民繁多，亦加增他們的喜樂。他們在你面前歡喜，好像收割的歡喜，像人忽得擄物那樣的快樂。
嗱，呢個點解突然間會走咗個 spoil 出嚟嘅？通常 spoil 即係打完仗之後咧，
搶翻嚟嗰啲
搶翻嚟啲嘢嚟㗎嘛。 喂，咁而家呢個係外國嗰兩個城市，咁同邊個打仗咧？
嗱，佢冇講同邊個打仗，但係呢裏我覺得就係有個心態問題啦，值得大家諗下嘅。就係好明顯，即係呢班人咧係不停咁去搶人哋嘢，所以咧當搶到人嘢之後咧就好高興啦，好似匠人分擄物即係戰利品啦嚇，那樣的快樂，咁即係反映出呢班人咧其實就中意偷嘢啊，偷到嘅話開心啊！你前面因為自己勞力去收割種咗嘢，收割到呢個喜悅，我哋明白啊。但係而家另外一種喜悅就係要搶人哋嘢，搶到喜悅呢一種，即係咁呢個係聖經入邊發生㗎。即係換句説話講，聖經係鼓勵你哋又去搶嘢啦啊！你搶到之後會好開心啊。
9:4 For you will break the yoke of their burden and the staff on their shoulders, the rod of their oppressors, as at the battle of Midian.
因為他們所負嘅重壓咧，同埋喺肩膀上嘅杖咧，並欺壓他們的人嘅棍咧，你都已經截斷啦，好像在米甸的日子中一樣啊！耶和華將即係啲壓迫佢哋啲人嗰啲壓力全部清晒啊！
9:5 For every boot of the marching warrior in the roar of battle, and crook rolled in blood will be for burning, fuel for the fire.
戰士在亂殺之間所穿戴嘅盔甲，並那滾在血中的衣服，都必作為可燒的，當作火柴。哇！犀利啦！人人都全身浴血啦。
9:6 For a child will be born to us, a son will be given to us, and the government will rest on his shoulder, and his name will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Eternal Father, Prince of Peace.
因為有一個嬰孩為我們而生啊，有一子賜給我們，政權必擔在他的肩頭上，他名稱為奇妙策士、全能的神、永在的父、平安的君和平的君
呢個 child 係咩啊？邊個咧？
唔知，但係呢個就係變咗 Mighty God 喎，呢個 child 就係神嚟嘅喎。
佢咁講啦嚇，睇下邊呢個係呢個 child 係叫咩名啦？
係。
9:7 There will be no end to the increase of his government or of peace on the throne of David over his kingdom, to establish it and to uphold it with justice and righteousness from then on and forevermore. The seal of the Lord of armies will accomplish this.
他的政權與平安必加增無窮，他必在大衛的寶座上治理他的國，以公平公義使國堅定穩固，從今直至永遠。萬軍之耶和華的熱心必成就這事。
嗱，佢中文咧就譯得比較輾轉一啲。But the Lord of armies 喎，呢個細路係變成係打仗嘅神喎，唔係好似中文譯得咁得，萬軍之耶和華，萬軍係變咗一個軍頭喎。
呢個後尾嗰句咧，即係佢前面有 full stop， 後面有 full stop， 又係後尾一句好明顯呢一句咧，Jackson 嘅睇法就係仍然跟翻上面講緊個細路 但呢度我就可能有個唔同睇法，呢個就講呢個細路就俾耶和華咧，呢個耶和華一直都叫做萬軍之耶和華噶嘛，耶和華一直都被認為 Lord of Armies 啊，所以呢個係耶和華嚟㗎，耶和華咧就會成就這事啦。咁所以呢個上面講嘅嘢，咁而家跟住加句，耶和華會使到呢個細路就可以咩咧？喺大衛嘅寶座上面，以公平公義使國堅定穩固啊！即係耶和華會做到呢樣嘢啦。仲有一句就係、從今直至永遠，好可惜啊！耶和華做唔到，因為咧我哋知道啦，大衛國好耐之前已經冇咗啦，冇咗2000幾年嘅最少都啊。
9:8 The Lord sent a message against Jacob, and it falls on Israel.
主突然間呢個主就變咗唔係萬軍之耶和華主咁啲主係咪耶和華咧主使一言入於雅各家，落於以色列家。
嗱，呢個 send a message 係點樣 send 咧？係直接同佢講啊，定係派個使者啊，定係俾個 email 佢咧？
抑或打個電報嘟咁嘟佢啦，真係唔知啊！
我睇埋落去And all the people know it. That is, Ephraim and the inhabitants of Samaria, asserting in pride and arrogance of heart.
這眾百姓就是以法蓮同埋咧撒瑪利亞嘅居民，都要知道他們憑驕傲自大嘅心説。
呢個 message 唔係咁簡單，好似登報紙咁喎。
全人類知道啊，竟然
全部人知道喎。
好似神突然間出現，咁就好似我哋睇戲咁，喺夜晚黑或者日頭啦，咁神出現，大聲一喝，全部人聽到晒，真係犀利啊
9:10 The bricks have fallen down, but we will rebuild with smooth stone. The sycamore have been cut down, but we will replace them with cedar.
磚牆就冧咗啦，我哋卻要用鑿石頭建築桑樹冚咗啦，我哋要換香柏樹，由頭嚟過，
咁呢度代表咩咧？係代表佢去打仗啊，定係話俾你聽？個 send a message to 咩 to Jacob against Jacob 啊嘛，係咪 Jacob 冧咗檔，然後翻身咧？
唔知而家總之佢哋而家呢個講到就係要由頹垣敗瓦之中由頭建立佢哋嘅城市或者國家啦。
9:11 Therefore, the Lord raises superior adversary against them from Rezin and provoke their enemies.
因此呢個耶和華做耶和華要高舉利凡的敵人來攻擊以色列，並要激動以色列嘅仇敵。即係呢個神做乜嘢無端端要去揾人去同以色列人打，同以色列人有仇喎，似乎
唔知點解咧？望埋落去9:12 The Armenians from the east and the Philistines from the west, and they devour Israel with gaping jaw. In spite of all this, his anger does not turn away, and his hand is still stretched out.
東有亞蘭人，西有非利士人，他們張口要吞吃以色列。雖然如此耶和華嘅怒氣還未轉消，他的手仍伸不縮。突然間又講到耶和華好嬲啲以色列人啦，
咁因為佢唔信佢啊嘛。
總之耶和華就喜怒無常啦，而家就突然間又唔中意啦
9:13 Yet the people do not turn back to him who struck them, nor do they seek the Lord of armies.
這百姓還沒有歸向打擊他們的主，也沒有尋求萬軍之耶和華。 抵死啦！啊，你唔信耶和華，耶和華就梗要揾人砌你啦。
咁即係揾啲外邦人咯喎，揾
啊，
啲
揾外邦人嚟砌以色列人係啦。
Armenian 同 Philistine 啲人喎。9:13 Oh, sorry, 9:14. So the Lord cut off heads and tails from Israel, both palm branches and bulrush in a single day.
因此，耶和華一日之間必從以色列中剪短頭同尾、棕枝和蘆葦。
咦？耶和華親自出手喎。
嗱，我就明白咩叫頭啊，人係有頭噶，但點樣剪人嚟個尾咧？
唔知，總之咧就係耶和華咧親手出動去斬你個頭尾。9:15 The head is the elders, an esteemed man, and the prophet who teaches falsehood is the tail.
哦，原來係咁，呢度講咗啦，咩係頭咧，同咩係尾啦啊？長老同埋尊貴嘅人就係頭，以謊言教人嘅先知就係尾啊！好啦，我知頭尾啦，耶和華殺晒呢啲長老同埋尊貴嘅人，同埋咧就係講大話嗰啲教啲先知啊。
9:16 For those who guide these people are leading them astray, and those who are guided by them are confused. 因為咧
引導這百姓使他們走錯了路，被引導的都必敗亡。呢個變咗亦都係敗亡啊 ！confuse 唔係敗亡，係混亂同埋唔明白咯。
9:17 Therefore the Lord does not rejoice over the young man, nor does he have the compassion on the orphans or their widows, for every one of them is godless and evildoers, and every mouth is speaking foolishness. In spite of all this, his anger does not turn away, and his hand is still stretched out.
所以主必不喜悅他們的少年人，也不憐惜他們的孤兒寡婦，因為各人都是褻瀆的啊，是行惡的啊，而且咧各人嘅口都係說愚妄嘅話。雖然如此啊，耶和華的怒氣還未轉消，他的手仍伸不縮。
咦？咁你講到明，耶和華係 Lord of Armies 啊嘛。佢嬲人噶嘛，係咪先？佢殺人噶嘛。咁但係啲基督徒話：喂，
神愛世人啦，啊，
愛世人喎，其實唔係嘅喎。
啊，我哋讀聖經係好明白呢個神係唔中意啲人嘅啊，就算佢嘅選民啊，即係佢揀咗嗰個 Jacob 或者 Israel 嗰啲人咧，佢都可以咁樣大開殺戒㗎。大家千祈唔好以為神真係咩仁慈啊！聖經直情話俾你知唔係啊。
9:18 For wickedness burn like a fire, it consumes briars and thorns. It also sets the thicket of the forest aflame, and they roll upon in a column of smoke.
邪惡好似火焚燒啊，消滅荊棘同埋咧蒺藜，喺稠密嘅樹林中着起來，就成為煙柱旋轉上騰。哇！燒到好緊要啊！
即係話將你哋班人咧要消滅晒啦9:19 By the wrath of the Lord of armies, the land is burned, and the people are like fuel for the fire. No one spare his brother.
因萬軍之耶和華烈怒，地都燒遍，百姓成為火柴，無人憐愛弟兄，人與人之間都冇憐憫啦。咁啊，耶和華即係呢班人殺到雞毛鴨血啦。
點有憐憫啫？佢自己都俾人殺咯，俾耶和華殺咯，仲憐憫邊個啫？
係咯。
9:20 They devour what is on the right hand, but are still hungry, and they eat what is on the left hand, but they are not satisfied. Each of them eats the flesh of his own arm.
哇！呢啲真係邪惡得咁緊要嘅。有人左邊搶食，仍受飢餓；右邊搶食，仍受嘅；左邊吞吃，仍不滿足。各人吃自己肩膀上啲肉。哇！呢即係變成行屍走肉，咬自己咬到嗦嗦聲啊！唉，
咁係咪啲人已經
發晒狂啦！即係
已經發晒狂啦，係咪先啦？喂，就嚟，喂，發晒狂都唔會食自己嘅肉啦，係咪先啊？所以佢哋講啲嘢咧，我覺得好奇怪嚇。9:21 Manasseh devoured Ephraim, and Ephraim Manasseh, and together they are against Judah. In spite of all this, his anger does not turn away, and his hand still stretched out.
馬拿西就吞吃以法蓮，以法蓮咧吞吃拿馬西，又一同攻擊猶大。雖然如此，耶和華嘅怒氣還未轉消，他的手仍伸不縮。即係呢個原來係耶和華係搞到佢哋咧互相之間攻擊嘅。
喂，又好似亂咗啲喎。佢哋知啱先講完話打 Israel 係咪先？咁而家點解突然間就整咗 Manasseh devour Ephraim and Ephraim Manasseh and together they are against Judah 喎？
即係而家亂打你打我，我打你，又打一及又打第三者，亂晒大龍，呢個天下大亂啦！真係。
咁即係點啫？咁而家係耶和華因為以色列啲人唔信佢，
係啦，
所以唔信佢，所以咧就揾啲外邦人咧 ，Philistine 咧同埋 Samaria 啲人打佢。咁而家又整多兩堆人嚟
打嚟，又係互相之間攻擊。總之耶和華搞到咧就係全世界冚唪唥都戰火連天。
呢頭都未打完，嗰邊又亂，
又惹啲火頭出嚟，唉！
想講乜嘢啊？
想講耶和華係一個萬軍之神啊！佢到處搞屎棍，撩到你班人咧就係難得互相攻擊啊！呢個就係耶和華中意做嘅嘢啦。
呢個 chapter 好亂啊！
係啦，一樣啦。我哋讀起聖經上發覺即係就係。無論係英文版本、中文版本都係譯啊，但唔知佢譯嗰時個水準點啊。但係讀起上嚟，的確咧就係時間冇啦，先後次序冇啦，人物亦係用個代名詞，都唔知係邊個打邊個啊。咁啊一大紮地方名，咁啊無端端嘅地方之間就互相打鬥，都冇講為咩引起呢啲打鬥，總之係耶和華搞出嚟嘅，咁咪耶和華搞出嚟咯。可能我都冇嘢加啦。咁我哋下集同大家再見啦，拜拜。
拜拜。